That's my bad boy.
Oh, check it out, man. Back on another episode of KickTalk, man. I'm so excited about the pair of kicks we're gonna be reviewing today, man. We got another pair of Jordans today, man. There's so many things that we're gonna talk about. Make sure you stay tuned and finish the whole show. And if you haven't already, if you can do support us by pressing that like button and then that subscribe button, that will be doing us a huge favor. And if you want, you can also click the bell button icon so that every time we upload a new video you will get a notification. And this one right here is a collab and I'm so excited, man. This pair is a very special one. I've been waiting for these for a long time. I tried to get me in the raffle. I failed. I got me an L all the time, man. But well, because I love them too much, yo, what the heck, I went online and then I went around a couple of websites looking for it on one of the resale authentication website to get those shoes, and then I found them. I put on quite a low bid, and then like by accident, like, oh man, an idiot seller just like hit the accept button on sale, and then like one moment I was like, all right, looking at shoes. I was at Atmos and then I got a message that thing, they charged my card. I was like, oh damn, someone accepted my bid. Holy smokes, I'm gonna be getting me a pair of the new Nike Air Jordan 6 Travis Scott. Oh, check it out, man. Check out the box on this AJ6 Travis Scott. Yeah, man, this looks good, man. Check it out. It's got the orange Jumpman logo, a big one on the top, and then on the side it's got the Cactus Jack name sign and the Jumpman on the side. I love it, man. Oh, check it out, man. The shoe, it comes with a nice surprise. The moment you open it, you see this brown bag in front of you before you even get to the shoe. So this is the first thing that you see when you open the box. Oh man, I love it. It's beautiful. The brown is almost the same color as the shoe, and then it's got the orange Jumpman logo in front of it, and then at the back of it, it's got the Cactus Jack logo, as you can see. Oh man, this is definitely a nice surprise. Oh, check it out, man. And we got some nice surprise that comes with the AJ6 Travis Scott, man. This shoe, it comes with some extra laces. Oh yeah, man, check it out. It is so beautiful, man. Oh damn, you might be saying another Travis Scott collab. Man, I'm gonna be saying they should make them every month. I don't care, man. It is just so beautiful, man. Check it out. This is the Nike Air Jordan 6 collab with Mr. Travis Scott. Yeah, man. I have to say the Nike Air Jordan is definitely made at a slightly better quality compared to the normal Jordans, right? But the Travis Scott Jordans, man, these are definitely, the workmanship, the quality of the material, the whole colorway, everything about this shoe is ons, man. Check it out. From the outsole itself, it's got the glow in the dark outsole, and then you got the Travis Scott name down there. After that, you got the orange Jumpman logo, and then the Cactus Jack logo, the smiley thing. Oh, it says really kind of, that's a scary kind of smiley, man. That's the kind of smiley that gives you nightmares. Coming to the midsole, you got the same brown color as the whole silhouette, which is like a brown suede. Like the whole thing is suede, man. Like it's kind of pretty. I kind of like it. Check it out, man. Right here, it's got the pocket air, and then it's got this small pocket over here. It's got a pouch over here, which you can open and keep your stuff. Yeah, man. Over here, man, in the small pouch over here, if you open it, you will see a small tiny red thing, which is like a stopper for the shoelaces. Now you got two that you can actually use. You can actually choose whether to use the orange one, which matches the back over there. Looking at the back, it's got the Cactus Jack logo. It's got the Nike swoosh on the other, as you can see. In the front, it's got the orange Jumpman logo. Man, oh man, I'm so excited about these pair of shoes, and these being a collab. You know, in the past, Nike and Travis Scott collab have always done very well, so I expect these to do very well as well. That's kind of funny. Anyway, so make sure you keep these. If you can find them at a good bargain, make sure you go get your hands on them. You can probably find them on StockX or Grilled or Oxstreet, Novel Ship. There's so many sites, Kickscrew, so many sites, man, that you can buy these things on today. And these sites, they authenticate those shoes, so if you do buy on them, you will definitely be getting something that is authenticated and something that is genuine. What you will get is some kind of small tag. I got mine from one of the reseller. It comes with an authentication tag right here, so yeah, I guess they must be real, because I definitely paid a huge deal for these. So right now, these babies, when they were launched on 30th of April, these babies right here, 30th of April, when they were launched, they retailed at $250. Right now they're going at $427 US on StockX, and I believe it's gonna go up a little bit more, slightly above. I believe it's gonna probably hit $500. If you look at the previous shoe that came out, the previous Travis Scott, the Air Jordan 6 Retro Travis Scott in olive green, those babies, they were released some time ago in 11th of October 2019, and those, when they were released, they were $250, and right now they are going at $600, man. That is a lot of dollars to be spending on a pair of shoes, man. Damn, son. So what should you be doing right here with these pairs right here? Should you hold them? Should you sell them? My advice, hold them for another 8 to 7 months. I believe it's gonna hit about $550 or $600 around that time. I think it'll be a good time to sell. Yeah, or you can just keep them, one for your collection, and just in case one day you might not have enough money, one day you may be desperate for money, and when that day comes, you can definitely sell these babies, man. Yeah. So coming back to these babies right here, the Nike Air Jordan 6 Travis Scott. man, how much would you rate it? Me personally, I would give them a solid 9.0 out of 10, man. Man, honestly, these are just so amazing, man. On hand, when you hold them, I'm gonna give them a solid 9 based on the material, the workmanship, the build quality, the just the wholesale, and the free gift that you get. You get an extra 2 more laces, and then you get that extra orange holder laces thing. I don't know what you call it. And then you got like 2 pockets on the side, and it was made by Travis Scott. It's even got his name down below on the outsole, man. Like, these babies, they're amazing. I give them a solid 9.0. So why don't you tell me how much you think these babies should be rated? Why don't you leave a comment down below? And now I believe we are at the end of our show. Thank you so much for watching, for staying with us from A to Z. We appreciate you guys watching us a lot. I'm your host, Marwan, aka Lil Mars. You can call me whatever you want to call me, but yeah, anyway, man, see you again next week with another episode. We're gonna be reviewing another pair of sneakers, which I am not gonna reveal to you yet. It's gonna be so smoking hot. I'm so excited for this next pair, man. Make sure you tune in for our next sneaker review, and hopefully I get to entertain you, and hopefully you learn something from the video. See you again next time.